Hello guys, welcome to new vlog. Right now I am here sitting on my bed. I just lie down into my bed. And right now actually we are ready to get to the market. So now as you can see, and everyone is getting ready to go to the market to buy chicken. So that is why guys, this vlog is going to be very super crucial or interesting. So I want you to please watch this video until it very end, and I'm sure you are going to love this video so much. So please keep on watching. Actually, and this is the place where we live, right? So now as you can see these days, and here this is the kitchen place, you can say. This is the gas, and it has some of the utensils and the stuff. That's true, we cook sometimes, right? Vegetables, just vegetable, not anything. And here there are some of our shoes, so now as you can see. And by the way, these are mine, and I have bought these shoes because of you guys. Actually there was a day and I went to my sister's home, and one of you guys has commented me, Nakul, you should wear shoes, then you would look handsome. So that is why guys, especially I brought these shoes, but otherwise I didn't like it, right? But right now when I started wearing these shoes, I obsessed with it. Wow. Yeah. We are short of oil actually. Okay, so looking handsome. Now it's my turn. I know you guys already know this is... Okay, so right now I just kept it here, and now do I look good? Please let me in the comment. Okay guys, so right now I am going to show you the place where I live, the outside, and actually the place where I live at. And you might have a question, Nakul, where you live at? These days we have come to Mumbai. Yes. By the way, do you guys also dreaming of coming to this place? Please let me know in the comment below. And right now there is a guy and who is also working here, and here also find it a dog. Wow. Okay, so now look at the scenario of this place. Everywhere you will get to see the mountains here, right? And guys, even I don't know actually where we are going to go. Means even I don't know in which track through we have to go, because this is my first time go to the market of this place, right? So that is why even I don't know where we are going. So that is why even I don't know in which track or in which road through we have to go. Wow, it's bumpy. Hey, Babri. Jai Shri Ram. Guys, here it is very difficult to walk, and I would like to stop recording for a while because I am uncomfortable walking here, right? Just Shri Ram. Yes, I just crossed this bumpy track, and now we have come to the solid track, right? That's through we have to go to the market to buy something. Okay, so now here there are lots of machines here, and as you can see both of them are going to the market. By the way, do you guys love mountains area? Please let me in the comment below. Guys, actually the weather is getting dark, and so that is why I don't know will I be able to show you in the evening time or not, because as you can see the weather is getting dark, right? By the way guys, I have to say the place I love it. So now as you can see, here there are lots of huge stones here, right? So now as you can see, and here, and this place people working here. So now as you can see some of the truck here, and here there are lots of people working here. Okay, actually here there is a garage, right? And garage, that means that is fixed to the truck. Okay guys, so here I see there is a little garden, right? And now I'm going to show you. Acha, chalo. This is kind of a fence, and that we have to cross by jumping. I just crossed this fence, and here there is a jungle. And now one of my friend is he's on a mood to pee. P in the sense if you are what this is what it means. This finger indicates that you need to pee, right? I got there is a pitch or there is a field where here's people and they play cricket. So now as you can see the stadium. And right now, by the way, we are about to reach to the place where we are going. Now as you can see the buildings are you are able to see. Okay guys, so let us head to the market. And just after reaching there, then I will show you things, whatever I will come across. So keep on watching. Okay, so here again there is a garage where they are repairing cars, right? And here right now we are going to cross this road, but before we cross this road, it is necessary to look for cars, right? But otherwise they are gonna hit us. Okay guys, so right now we just crossed this road and walking to the footpath. Guys, we just again passed this road. So now as you can see, I'm here. This place has a lot of cars here. Now as you can see, everywhere you will get to see cars. Oh my god. Guys, so right now actually we are looking for chicken shop because by the way we have saw lots of chicken shop, but we need chicken market because we are gonna buy just feet, not a whole body, right? So that is why today we need a chicken market. And here again we are crossing this road, but first we have to look for cars. Okay guys, so right now we just safely cross this road, right? Because this road has there are lots of cars and bikes riding here, right? Or driving. Okay guys, so actually I am here for the first time. Even you guys know about me that I am here visited for the first time. But the white one, he has come a lots of time. But even after coming a lots of time here in this place, but he has also forget the place where he's selling chicken. Oh, finally I got. Okay guys, we just bought, so now as you can see it has just feet of chicken, right? And this is called the envelope, and it has 1 kg feet of chicken, and there are 2 paws of masala. And my friend Inder is ready to pay for this chicken. By the way, now you might have question, Nakul, how much do you have to give for 1 kg? Guys, it is not too much expensive, just only for 40 rupees and you can buy 1 kg chicken feet. Yes, and along with 2 paws, and right now we have to pay 50 rupees. That's it. Okay guys, so right now we just got back home, right? Home in the sense this is the room where I live at, right? And now I am going to show you the process of peeling the skin of these chicken feet, right? And now as you can see, just after warming up or firing up, now they are, I'm gonna show you here the meal that have come, yes, for us. So now as you can see, it has bread, chawal na, bread, rice and vegetables, but I don't know what vegetables it has, right, in this envelope, and I'm going to put it back into the sack. Meal mana khana re. And now again I want to show you the process of peeling the skin of this chicken feet, right? Okay guys, a few moments later I will show you when we start making chicken. So keep on watching. Okay guys, so right now chal shuru karna. Our veggies right now it is ready. And I'm not sure. Hey, does it taste right? Oh my god. Hey, khana do na. And now it has rice and veggies. Okay, so first let me serve for myself. Okay guys, so right now I just rinsed or wash my dish, and now the guy is serving. Let me untie this. Okay, I'm gonna tear this. Hey, okay, so now I just untie this envelope, and now I'm going to pour the rice that it has. Right? And it has dal. Again, I have to untie the garter or the rubber that is tied here. Okay guys, so now I just pour all of these things or veggies, and now it has one extra for me. So now I am looking for dal. Where is dal? Okay, so now it has dal and I'm going to pour, but I'm not gonna pour this entire dal because today we have these expensive veggies, right? So that is why I think no need to take or eat this dal much. Okay guys, so let me have or enjoy meal. But before we start having or eating, so first I would like to selfie because this picture will help me to add on thumbnail. So at the end I would say, guys, if you like it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for such kind of relevant content. Okay, so that's about it and bye bye.